Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making easy, quick, simple yet super delicious spicy sweet corn chaat. So let's get started. Add 1 cup of boiled corns to a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of butter and give it a good mix. Saute the mixture for about a minute. Once the butter is melted and the moisture from the corns is dried up, switch off the flame. Now we will be adding some spices, so in goes 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per taste, 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and mix everything well. And there you go, your easy, quick, super delicious sweet corn chaat is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and subscribe for more super simple recipes.